I'm going to be putting us through what is called P2P. You would want to go to your wallet if you're using your phone. When you go to wallet, you would see funding. When you click on funding, you would see P2P. Here, I just clicked on buy crypto and there is P2P trading here. All right. So when you click on the P2P trading, this is how it looks like. So we have the buy and the sell here. Let me quickly run down through the process. It is very simple if you pay attention. Now, this is a seller. I am a buyer. That is why I clicked on buy. I want to buy cryptocurrency right now. And the current price rate is 749.40 naira per dollar. All right. If I want to patronize this trader, the first thing I do is to check how fast he is. You know, the speed or the rating based on speed. Here he was rated 100% based on the completion rate, and he has taken a total order of 20. Well, I don't advise trading with people who just started. I have my reasons. So most times I would want to trade with somebody who has been in the system for a while now, you know. And for that reason, I look out for a high completion rate, say 90% above. I don't do below 90%. It means that person is going to waste my time. If I pay you and you don't release this coin for me in 1 hour, that's really time wasting and it will affect my business. All right. So this person, the next person here, has made 329 orders with a completion rate of 95.4%, which is fair. Okay, this is the trading rate per dollar, naira per dollar, which is 749.45, 5 cents above this one. Okay, this is the least you can buy from this trader is 5,000 naira, and the highest you can buy is 1,000 naira. The next trader here, the least you can buy is 4,000, you see, and the highest you can buy from him or her is 6,000. So you can scroll down and check for which trader has the amount you want to buy. Say you want to buy ₦1,000,000 naira worth USDT, or you want to buy 500,000. You just have to scroll down to check which trader here has that amount. It's going to be a very difficult task because you keep nexting and So one easy way to check for a trader who has that amount of money you want to purchase is to go into searching the amount. Say I want to buy USDT worth 100,000 naira. I'll just write 100,000 naira here. This is 50, and I'm just going to search. Now this is the results. This trader here is selling a minimum of 40,000 and a maximum of 1,000,000 naira. So within this range, I have 100,000. So I can quickly click on buy. And when I do that, I'll be asked to pay. I want to pay how much? 100,000. Okay, so this is 100,000. And when I pay this, I'll be given 133.15 cents for USDT. So when you click on buy here, after imputing the amount, an order has been placed. I'm going to cancel this. So I just want to use this to explain how it works to us. So you can see right here the account number. You can see the bank name, which is Kuda. And okay, there are no tags here. So the only information you need right here is the person's account detail, which will help you send money as soon as possible. So you copy the account number, go to your bank app and send to this Kuda bank. This is the name you're expected to see, Israel. And when you send, as soon as you send the money, just come back here and click this transferred. So when you click on transfer, Binance is going to notify the seller, telling the person that you have made payments. They should quickly confirm if the money has been received. And as soon as it is received, this person will then come back to Binance, and on his end, he or she will click received. And this is how you get the USDT instantly in your wallet. It is very simple and basic. Okay, so same thing goes to when you want to sell. You click on sell, and remember to always put how much you want to sell so that you don't keep scrolling down, going down and down searching for it's so stressful to do that. So if I want to sell USDT worth 5,000 naira, I can just click on 5,000 or search 5,000. It's going to show me traders who are selling within the range of 5,000 and above. So I have somebody here who is selling 5,000 to 10,000, 4,000 to and so on. All right, so okay, I'm still on the buy. Sorry, supposed to be on the sell. Yes. So you click on the sell and you put how much you want to sell. You put the 5,000 naira you are selling here and you click on sell. Now I already have my account registered here. If you haven't registered yours, you will be given an option to do that. Just register your account, and click on sell. As soon as you sell, the person is going to see your account number, they'll pay to your account, and you will have to come back to click on seen or received as soon as you receive the fund. Okay, it's a reverse process from the buying. Just the way you bought from the seller, you're going to be selling to another buyer. So this way, when you buy any cryptocurrency here, say USDT or Bitcoin or BUSD or the BNB or Ethereum, Solana, you can even buy Naira. You can buy Naira directly, right? But I always advise that you buy USDT because it is easy to calculate. Yes, you know how much you're spending per dollar in Naira and so on. So this is how to buy or sell cryptocurrency from Naira to USDT and from USDT to Naira. Now, if you are from another country and you want to do P2P, especially countries that supports P2P, what you need to do is change the currency here. You see fiat, click on this arrow and it will show you, South African rands, and you can just select whichever fiat currency is used in your area. Right? When you do that, these figures will change, but it remains the same. The buy and sell still remains the same. So the only thing that changes is the fiat that you selected. All right. So with this, you can buy and sell USDT.